This is Mike Michele. It's an honor and privilege being with you guys, and let me ask you a question. Have it ever happened to you? You achieved a certain goal, you made the money, you made the relationship, you got into the shape of your life, and then 6 months, 1 year, 3 months, whatever, you went back to your old situation? I know I've been guilty of that many times. In order to know how to overcome this obstacle, which is a normal human condition, keep on listening. Welcome back. So here is the deal. Did you know that your life is just like a thermostat? Yes, like the thermostat in your house. When it becomes a little too hot, the cold air starts coming in. When it's becoming a little too cold, the hot air starts to come in. So that is the reason why very often we find ourselves at the same place after we achieve certain levels of success. Now, I'm gonna give you 3 tips, 3 technologies, 3 ways in order to set your thermostat permanently to higher and higher levels. Yes. Without further ado, let's go. Way number 1, numero uno. Know that the story that you're telling yourself only matters to you. The story that you are telling yourself only matters to you. The truth of the matter is, the other people don't care about your degrees, your past failures, or your past successes. Only the story that your ego is telling to you matters to you. So disattach yourself from your previous successes, failures. Your past does not equal the future. Your past does not equal the future. Your past does not equal the future. Number 1. So, number 2. Numero dos. Surround yourself with people that their achievements are on the levels that you're striving to achieve. Surround yourself with people that are winning at the levels that you are trying to win. Surround yourself with people that are already winning and you feel very uncomfortable with. Now, we naturally tend to be around people who are more or less like us. A big mistake. Always surround yourself with people who are higher than you in money, in fitness, in social relationship. If you go into the room and you're the smartest person in the room, it's a very good sign that you need to find another room. And number 3 is you have to understand that it's not enough to surround yourself with people that are higher level than you, that are higher achievers than you, but you also need to be aware of their actions. Awareness is the tip number 3. So here are the 3 tips in order to not get locked in your psychological thermostat, which brings you back home, brings you back to the levels that you are comfortable with. Number 1, make sure that whatever you're telling yourself about your past failure, past success, it's only a story. Disattach from that. Number 1. Number 2, surround yourself with people that you are not comfortable with, that are a lot higher than you in every aspect that you are trying to go at. And number 3, be aware of what they are doing, because it's not only enough to surround yourself with these people and focus on your internal game, how to feel better around them, or the victim game, you name it. No, be an observer. Successes leave clues. This is basically what NLP, neuro-linguistic programming, and somebody asked me in one of the emails to make a video about that. I will do this very soon. Is teaching us that successes leave clues, and if we match, mirror, and copy successful behavior with adjustments of our personality, eventually we will reach the same success results. This is Mike Micheli. I love you all. Thank you for being with me, and I'll see you in the next video.